Welcome once again to Cars and Cars. We have another car here today to review. This is the 2022 Toyota CH-R. Okay, so in 2022, Toyota actually started producing CH-R in 2018. So this is the fourth year we having this car. In 2022, you can get this car in three different models. We have the LE, we have the XLE, and then we have the Nightshade. Fortunately for us today, we have the Nightshade. It is called a Nightshade because it is a dual tone car. And you know my thing, I have a thing for dual tone cars. I think that these monotone cars have been around for far too long. It's high time we get creative with some of our designs when it comes to cars. Look at the contrast between the red and the black, coupled with the white headlight. It's just beautiful. In terms of look, color combination, I like this car a lot. Let's start with the front. It has a very huge headlight. This is typical of Hyundai Elantra or any other Hyundai model that you can think of. Very huge headlights. Start from here and comes all the way almost to the end. We have very close to the first pillar here. A very huge headlight. It is beautiful though. I like it, but it's very huge, and it's one of the things people are saying this is a bit unusual of Toyota to do this. Okay, so let's look at what else. The front looks a bit more like Corolla, the 2012 to 2014, 16, 2014 to 16 Corolla. The bumper looks a bit like that, especially this portion of the bumper and then the black grill down here. Um, so that's this. This is supposed to be an air vent, but it's not vent, it's covered. So you have to take note of that. When you come to the side, it has very nice side mirrors, black, solid black side mirror. I like it. And again, it is my thing, the dual tone thing. If you just compare this black to the red here, it just stands out. The same thing can be said with the door handles. Very nice door handles. The roof of the car, it is also black coated. So when you stand in the front and you take a look back, you can see the black starting all the way from the front pillars to the back, and it's nice. I like it. So on the side here, we don't have a lot of stuff to talk about except this plastic trim that is here, protecting the underside of the car. So to the back, what I see this rear light is it looks more or less like a Honda Civic type of headlight. Again, this is a bit different from the Toyota designs that we are used to. But hey, it is nice. I also like this idea here. This is not a light, this is a reflector. So take note. And then Toyota has given us a little bit trim here, cover here, to protect the painting in case you are loading stuff onto the car. You have your CH-R badge here, and then your Toyota crown also here. They are all black. All right. So with the engine, this is a four-cylinder inline engine. I presume it's not going to be a too fast car, but hey, this is not a too powerful engine. Like I said, it's a 2.0 liter engine, four cylinders inline, and paired with a six-speed automatic transmission, putting out 144 horsepower, 139 pound-feet of torque. So we'll put out one to test, and then we'll give you our opinion as to what we think about this car. Okay, so let's do our road tests real quick and see how this car feels on the road. Already, I'm liking the shifter here. The gear lever is nice. It's cool. One of the things that I was concerned, looking at the shape of the rear door, the rear door, I was a little bit concerned that because it comes in here like this, it caves in. So I thought maybe the view back there would be uh, a bit obstructed, but no, it's not like that. You have a very good view back there. Okay, it's nice. Like I said, let's floor it a little bit. Yeah. As I said, this is not a speed car, right? It is not that fast. Even though it drives smoothly, it is not that fast. It is cool, but it's very stable. It is very stable, and the noise level is also good. You don't hear too much noise in here. Um, Sometimes, with these small cars, one of the things you struggle with is the noise, the road noise, the wind noise, the engine noise. These three noises combine, and it becomes chaotic in here. But this is not like that. The suspension too is nice. It bounces, it bounces very, very smoothly. It is one of those cars that you will enjoy driving it around town. And if you want to go on a long journey too, because it is so nice. Oh, I like this brake. In the city, it drives well. Let's see how it pulls on the drive. For instance, if you are joining the highway, you need to pick up speed. So let's see how the car behaves. The CVT is working well. Okay, let's see. That's the highway. Oh, I mean, it's good. Again, like I said, this is not a very fast car. It is a 2.0 liter engine, but it moves very well. It moves as it should. You also don't hear a lot of noise from the road or from the engine, or the wind noise. It's not that crazy. So it's nice, and it's also very stable. Now we're going almost 80 miles an hour, but the car feels very stable. So it's a nice car. You will enjoy it when you want to maneuver. Okay, so let's see this ramp coming up. And honestly, one of the things I like about this car is the brakes. It is very soft, so you are able to come to a stop very, very gently. So okay, so this is our opinion for the 2022 Toyota CH-R Nightshade. We think it is a good car. It is a great car. It is a great small car, right? It has a lot of very good features. One of the things we like is the rim. This car comes standard with an 18-inch alloy rim, which is black coated. We also like the design, the color scheme. It is a dual tone. This is red and black. It is nice. We also like the fact that the design is different. It's different from all Toyota models, all Toyota cars that you will ever find. We also like the interior. The interior is tight. The positioning of the infotainment and the steer, very small steer, is great. So design wise, we like it. A little bit of a challenge with this car, or a few things that we want you to consider, is one, the trunk. It doesn't have huge storage capacity, so it's one of the things that you might want to consider if you're thinking of buying this car. And also, the engine is a very good engine, but it doesn't put out too much power. This is a 2.0 liter engine, and it puts out 144 horsepower, 139 pound-feet of torque. When you step on the accelerator, it takes time for the car to pick up speed, but it's okay. The suspension is also good. The car is very good in slow speed corners. It's great. It doesn't have too much noise, road noise, wind noise. You don't get it in the cabin, so that is also good. So our opinion generally is, I think this is a good car. One, it is different from all Toyotas. Two, it also comes with the reliability of Toyota. If you're thinking of getting a small car in this category, this Toyota 2022 Toyota CH-R is a good option for you to consider. If you like this video, we want you to like it. If you enjoyed it, share it with your friends. Comment. Let's hear your opinion about this car, and let's continue with our conversation on cars. This, once again, is Cars and Cars, and thanks for joining us.